Mom, Dad, can we go play outside? It's a beautiful day.
It's too hot. I'm melting. Let's go back inside. What a shame. It's such a beautiful day.
Do you want to enjoy your house's backyard? 225 Patios LLC has the solution for you. Our custom aluminum patio covers will keep you cool and comfortable while you enjoy being outside, even on the hottest of days. How about enjoying your backyard without pesky insects biting you? You can now enjoy your backyard with our custom screens fitted around your aluminum patio cover's perimeter, so you can relax and enjoy your time outside without being bothered by mosquitoes or other insects. Need shade? Do bugs bother you? We've got you covered. Visit our website for more information at 225patios.com or call the number on your screen, 225-819-9311.